Did you know choosing the wrong ETF can reduce your real returns by up to 30% in taxes? It's not about what stocks the fund buys, it's about what it does with your dividends. In this video, you will be accumulating or distributing. Avoid losing money before you even start. Most beginner investors look for passive income. They see an ETF that pays quarterly dividends. They think it's the obvious choice. They want to see the money in their account now. But there is a hidden problem with that logic. Every time you receive that dividend, the tax authority wants their share. That money that could be working for you disappears in taxes before it can be reinvested. This is where the accumulating ETF comes in. Instead of paying you the dividend, the fund automatically reinvests it. You do not receive cash, but your share of the fund increases in value without you paying taxes at that moment. Therefore, you maximize compound interest without annual tax friction. It is the perfect tool if your goal is to grow wealth long-term and you do not need to live off those yields today. However, not everything is rosy with accumulation. Imagine you have already achieved financial freedom. You no longer want to accumulate. You want to live off your money. But if you have everything in accumulating ETFs, you have no cash flow to pay your bills. You would have to sell parts of your portfolio manually, which can be inefficient. Therefore, at this stage, the distributing ETF becomes the only logical option. It delivers cash to you periodically for you to use, assuming the tax cost as the price of your freedom. So, which one do you choose? The answer does not depend on the market. It depends on you. If you are in the construction phase and want to maximize every cent, accumulating. If you are in the enjoyment phase and need monthly liquidity, distributing. Do not complicate the strategy. Choose the tool that aligns with your current goal, not the one you will have in 10 years. Applying this correctly is the difference between a mediocre portfolio and an optimized one. If you want to learn how to structure your portfolio step by step, subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next investment.